हेलो दोस्तों, अस्सलाम वालेकुम। मैं आज आप लोगों को लाया था बिरला प्लानेटोरियम और ये है बीएम बिरला साइंस म्यूज़ियम। मेरे साथ बने रहिए, मैं आप लोगों को ले जाऊंगा स्पेस टूर पे, स्पेस शो पे, साथ ही साथ डायनासोरियम और साइंस म्यूज़ियम के थोड़े झलकियाँ देखेंगे हम हैदराबाद के बिरला प्लानेटोरियम जो कि नामपल्ली पे है। मेरे साथ वीडियो में बने रहिए। थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग। शेयर करिए, लाइक करिए वीडियोज़ को। थैंक यू सो मच।
As Earth, but its atmosphere is choked with greenhouse gases and sulfuric acid. As a result, its surface temperature. The Earth is an oasis of evolved life in the solar system and lacking an atmosphere. The Moon's surface is covered in craters, which, as on Mercury, are the result of thousands of collisions during the early 70 million kilometers away from Earth at closest approach. Scientists have been exploring Mars systematically for the last 40 years, and we now know many of its secrets. Its atmosphere is dense and very dynamic, and is mainly composed of hydrogen, helium, and methane. Io, with its many volcanoes and continuous lava outflows. Saturn is perhaps the most impressive planet in the entire solar system, thanks to its majestic ring system. Saturn's rings are made up of pieces of rock and ice, mainly from former scientists have detected an atmosphere rich in organic matter and a surface with lakes of liquid methane. The next planet from our Sun is Uranus, which also has a large but less dramatic ring system. Eris, Makemake and Haumea. These dwarf planets, as well as probably hundreds more as yet undiscovered, and thousands of smaller objects, are located in a large zone at the edge of the solar system called the Kuiper Belt. Further in, between Mars and Jupiter, the asteroid belt contains thousands of asteroids of various shapes and sizes. There are 200 billion stars that make up our galaxy, the Milky Way. Recently, we have detected planets in orbit around other stars in our galaxy, and the study of these new and sometimes exotic worlds is a burgeoning field of observational astronomy. Stars come in many different types and sizes, but none of them live forever. Their lifetimes range from a few million to billions of years. But when their fuel is exhausted, they die. Some die in a violent manner, leaving behind exotic stellar remnants such as white dwarfs, neutron stars, and black holes. There are reflection nebulae, emission nebulae, and dark nebulae. If conditions are right, these clouds can also collapse under their own gravity, until nuclear fusion ignites and new stars are born. The great act of creation continues to this day. Supernova remnants are a special type of nebula which enrich interstellar space with the heavy chemical elements indispensable to the creation of life. These remnants are the last surviving traces of the spectacular final demise of high-mass stars. And two or more spiral arms extending outwards from the galaxy's center. More than half of all observed galaxies are spirals. Galaxies with no specific shape are called irregulars. Their dust and gas content is huge. Most large irregular galaxies began as spirals or ellipticals, but were deformed by the gravitational pull of other galaxies. In a tremendous expansion, the Big Bang, almost 14 billion years ago. Since then, the universe has been expanding, and today its expansion not only continues, but is accelerating.